welcome back to NAC Films. Today we are.
Take the pan and like, eat.
I'm not, but yes, I'm definitely going to. Today we are going to so it's really cold outside, right?
It's negative 55.
We are going to boil some water, then throw it outside, and according to some urban legends, it should freeze and turn to snow.
We're Mexicans. We don't eat urban legends.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Anyway, we are going to boil some water and throw it outside, and it should turn to snow or ice or whatever it turns to. So, yeah, let's do it.
Wait, you know what makes it burn really fast?
What?
Salt. It does.
Dude, it's releasing toxic gas. It's not on.
Oh, that scared me. Wait, do you have a lid for it? It boils faster.
You know a lot about boiling water.
That's definitely a lid.
Do it.
No. That doesn't fit. Ow. What kind of top is this? Oh.
That's not how it works.
Do you think it fits?
Anyway, guys, this is kind of the start of our cooking YouTube channel. It's pretty intense.
What are these? What is this for?
7 minutes later.
I'm still holding the star.
Okay, get prepared.
It's not boiling. It's gotta be bubbling.
You took away the bubbles? I thought you knew everything about boiling water.
I'm gonna smack you with the star. Sorry.
Really?
Are we going out the back door?
No, let's go out the front.
It's too heavy. I'm gonna drop the pan. The smoke alarm's gonna go off. I just throw the pan.
Don't hit me either. Okay, let's see what happens. Wait, hold. Turn on the porch light. Not yet. That doesn't really do anything. Go. Whoa!
Oh, smoke.
Dude! That's crazy.
Let's do it one more time.
Yeah, that was actually super cool.
That was. I found it in school hallway.
The homemade guac is done. Number 2. Batch number 2 of the hot water to throw in the snow is on the oven. As attempt number 2, the camera on my battery. The battery on my camera keeps draining really fast. Okay, here we go. Hold up. Tell me when you're about to throw it. Go for it. Whoa!
I'm not gonna hit you.
That almost hit me.
I'm not gonna hit you.
That was crazy. Dude,
Let's put this in the snow.
do it.
What's nothing happening? Nothing's happening. Wait, let's just dump it in the snow next time.
That's actually such a good idea.
Let's go. Let's throw it at your...
Alright, guys. Do it.
Ready?
Whoa. What did that even do?
It wasn't as cool as I thought it would be.
I know, nothing happened. You have to kind of throw it up, I guess.
Yeah.
What does it feel like? Oh, it's like snow now.
It's already snow.
Cool.
Alright, let's go back in.
Whatever.
That's so cool.
We are boiling snow. Don't put the lid on.
Well, he's gonna stay in there. It's gonna boil a lot faster. It's gonna take too long. There's like no water in there.
Okay, guys, we now have a sponge. Go.
Where's the sponge?
We lost.
Is it in there?
Oh, I found it. That's like warm. Oh, it's hot. Oh.
No dip, Sherlock.
Dang. Oh, it's so hot.
Should we just make the whole pathway super icy?
No. That's just like frozen there. Alright guys, new plan. We're going to fill this with really hot water, then throw it outside, and see if it explodes, because I think that's what's gonna happen. So, because you know, ice expands when it freezes. It won't.
Ready?
Yep, and stuff.
Oh, I think the top came off.
No!
Wait, no! The top did come off.
Did it just
freeze over there?
We need to make something explode.